Most essential learning competency. Describe the set of integers and identify real-life situations that make use of it. Represents the absolute value of a number on a number line as the distance of a number from 0. At the end of our lesson, we are able to answer the question on how are positive and negative numbers used in our everyday life. Numbers that have both magnitude and directions are called signed numbers. Example: if up is positive, down is negative. If above is positive, below is negative. If north is positive, south is negative. If east is positive, west is negative. We also use signed numbers in temperature. On this example, we have here a thermometer. The thermometer is used to show the temperature in degrees Celsius. The Celsius scale is based on the freezing point and boiling point of water. Aside from that, we also have the so-called normal body temperature, which is 36.9 degrees Celsius. A positive sign indicates that the temperature is greater than 0. Positive numbers may be written without the sign, tulad dito. So we have here 100 degrees Celsius. Pwede natin siyang tawaging positive 100 degrees Celsius or just 100 degrees Celsius. Basta kapag walang sign, it is considered positive. Pero there is an exemption with 0, which is later on, i-discuss ko sa inyo kung bakit. Signed numbers are needed to represent temperatures. Sometimes, these readings involve negative numbers. A negative sign indicates that the temperature is less than 0 degrees Celsius, tulad dito. Yan. So, negative 10. Negative 10 is less than 0 degrees Celsius. Signed numbers can be shown on a number line. So, ito yung number line na yun. Ayan. As you move to the right on the number line, the numbers get bigger. And as you move to the left, the numbers get smaller. Yung mga number naman, or numbers naman, na nasa ilalim nitong number line, itong mga number na to, are called the integers. And integers are all the positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. Imagine that we are walking along a line starting at 0. Kung mapapansin nyo, sa example na to, ay naglalakad siya papunta sa kanan ng number line. So that is positive. Pero, pag pinaatras natin yan, that will become negative. The distance of a number from 0 is called absolute value of a number. Example, absolute value of negative 3. Una, isusulat muna natin yung negative 3. Then after that, maglalagay tayo ng dalawang vertical line at ilalagay natin yung negative 3 sa loob nun. Kapag sinabing absolute value of negative 3, ay aalamin natin yung distance ng negative 3 kay 0 or gaano kalayo yung negative 3 kay 0 sa number line. So, if we are going to locate negative 3 on this number line, nandito siya. Ayan. Ngayon, aalamin natin yung distance ng number na to dyan kay 0. So, we will have 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3 units. So, that's why the absolute value of negative 3 is equal to 3. Ngayon, magtatanong kayo, bakit kaya nawala yung negative? Kasi, wala namang distance na negative. Lahat ng distance is positive. Next, let's have absolute value of positive 3. So, like what we did with the previous example, so isusulat muna natin yung positive 3, then lalagyan natin ng dalawang vertical line. Then, ilalagay natin yung 3 sa loob. Next, so on this number line, nandito yung positive 3. Aalamin natin ulit kung gaano yan kalayo kay 0. Ayan. So, bibilangin natin. So, we have 1, 2, 3. So, we have 3 units also. So, that's why the absolute value of positive 3 is the number itself, or positive 3. Next, absolute value of negative 5 is equal to 5. Absolute value of positive 12 is equal to 12. Absolute value of negative 1,000 is equal to positive 1,000. Now, look at all the answers. Lahat sila ay positive. Ngayon, maaari ba natin sabihin na ang absolute value of any number is always positive? To answer that question, let's have this example. Absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. Is 0 positive? No, we cannot say that 0 is positive because 0 is neither positive nor negative. So, that is incorrect to say that the absolute value of any number is always positive. But, instead, we can say that the absolute value of a number or any number is either 0 or positive. Now, let's go back to the question a while ago, which is, how are positive and negative numbers used in our everyday life? You can write or type your answer on the comment section of this video. Start with the hashtag understanding signed numbers, positive and negative numbers are used in, and then state your answer. Thank you for watching. If you want to increase your mathematical thinking and understanding, subscribe and hit the bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. And don't forget to like and share. And always remember, the essence of mathematics is not to make simple things complicated, but to make complicated things simple.